In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to export a portion of video in Davinci Resolve. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Once you actually go to the rocket ship, which is the render area, what you're going to do is once you have all your settings, you're going to click right here where it says entire timeline and click on in and out range. Now, once you have clicked the in and out range, it's going to enable you to change how much you are actually rendering and how much you are not. So you're just going to drag this gray area, for example, if you don't want to render this area, just to where your preference is, and if you don't want the end either, you can do that as well. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.